Hello, knife people. This is my real outdoor belt. Japanese Nata hatchet and folding saw, pepper spray, molar, and bear warning off bell. Today, I'd like to introduce this hatchet to you. It's 5-inch blade, shortest version. The core behind here, core steel, is regular blue paper steel, chisel grind. As you can see, this side flat, and ring and pin construction of the tongue. Tongue stops here, not full tongue. So we should not baton here. It will break these pins soon. Batoning is no good maybe. This side batoning will be okay. So first let's try batoning. Can you see that? Pretty thick rope. As I said, we should not bash here. Physically, it will break, I think. And this one is basically a chopper. Light chopper. Front heavy, much front heavy. The primary purpose for this hatchet is chopping wood. It's a chopper basically. Anyway, I need a feather stick as always. Please watch this feather sticking. Okay, this side flat, this side flat, nearly flat, a little bit convex. You know, this side flat. Chisel grind is not bad for feather sticking. As good as scan grind. Anyway, these feather sticks. This single hatchet can do everything. It is designed for that purpose. Single wood knife. Japanese Nata hatchet, 5 inches. It's a sweet knife. I like this wood sheath as always very much. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, see you. Bye bye.